Hey guys, before we start this video, I want to apologize to all my subscribers that it's been a while since I've put a video up on YouTube. Sit back, enjoy the product review. Hey guys, it's Frank. So today I'm going to be testing out some magic bait crappie bites. They're chartreuse and white. I've never used these before. I've seen plenty of people use them. I'm gonna try them out. I'm gonna be fishing over the next couple of days because I'm getting off of nights, and I'm gonna fish for about an hour every morning. Make sure you hit the subscribe button below so you don't miss out on any new content we have. Check out our Jug Line Chronicle series. Leave a comment below if you have any questions. Trash in my pocket. Never used these before. I'm assuming put it on just like this. They do have a smell to them, kind of an earthy, dead smell. The setup I'm using is actually a tube with a black tube with a chartreuse skirt. Bobber, I'm fishing about a foot down. That's closer to where I want to be, up near that cover. I just want to plug this rod combo I got at Walmart. If you watch the Rio Roundup, it's the same rod and reel I used on there. So it's a Ready to Fish by South Bend. It comes with everything you need to go start pan fishing. If you're new to fishing and you want to start, I highly recommend going and get one of these Ready to Fish kits. It comes with hooks, everything but the bait, literally. So I was reeling it in just now because I thought I had a bad spot, and literally, oh, right there, right there. Oh, look at that slab. Whew. That is a nice sockeye right there. I'm gonna go ahead. I forgot my stringer. I'm gonna have to carry them around. Hope I don't catch too many of them, or I'll be putting them in my chair. But look at that. That's what we're after. And literally right there at the edge of them lilies, which is 5 feet from me. Let's see if we can get some more. That might be a bad spot. Alright, so I just got hung up on that log right there. Pulling on it, I actually broke the hook off, but I was able to recover my tube jig, so I'm just going to put another hook on here and untangle this now. I'm going to be going back with a number 6 pan hook from Vector. So, I guess that's the end of day one. I'm going to see if I can get it out. Well, that's my bobber. The don't see up in the tree anymore. It might have launched into the water. So, that's the end of day one. Okay, on day one, I caught one sock of lait on the crappie bites. I lost 2 hooks, a lead. I was able to recover my bobber. All right, I'm gonna go home, go to sleep now, and I will be back tomorrow morning for day 2. So this is day 2 of trying out the crappie magic baits. So far I haven't had any luck. I made a few casts. Just gonna wait and see. I put a 1/16 of an ounce weight tied on a number 6 hook. So the way I rig these is I go center of the body, feed the hook, around. Oh, don't want to come out. We want to come out. There we go. And then so I don't lose my tube jig, I actually pull the eye of the hook through it. Put us one of these little crappie bites on it. Put a little bit more depth on this cork. That should be good. Let's just let it sit right there and see what it does. Alright, so this is morning number 3. I actually just saw something hit on top of the water. So we're gonna get our lines baited up and cast it out and see what we can get. If you don't follow us on Facebook and Instagram, you can find us at Louisiana Outdoor Experience. We try to do Fun Fact Fridays where we'll talk about different wildlife and give some information about it. Alright. So I can see a log running underwater right now, and I'm actually dropping it just to where it's about even with the bottom of that log. I don't know if the log is resting on the bottom or not. I may have to come up because I think it's actually... Let's get us a crappie bite out. And put it on the little hooky here. Alright, let's see if I can make this cast. Oh, that was actually better than I thought it would be. Oh, missed him. He got my nibbler. Let's see if we can get it right back in that spot. Because I definitely had a hit, but I believe it was a small perch. But we going for sucker lait. For people that are watching from outside of Louisiana, sucker lait is a crappie. And translated, it means sack of milk. Definitely can tell it's not a big one, because not eating it like it's a big one. One thing I've noticed about them bites, once they sit in the water for a little bit and you go to reel them in, they definitely come off the hook. Let it naturally drift. Maybe something will see it and say it looks tasty. So we hope for anyway, right? Overall, I would probably keep these crappie bites in my tackle box as I need something extra to catch them. Do they work? I could say yes, somewhat. Are they a magic bait? I don't believe so. Have a good day. Make sure you hit the subscribe button below, and see you out there fishing.